Hey screen printers, this is Darryl from Ryonet. I'm here in the dark room, just here going to show you how to line multiple films on a single screen. So we're going to maximize the area of our screen so that we can get multiple prints on a single screen. So I got my template here, I'm just lining it up, getting it all nice and center. I have my first piece of film, this is going to be a front. I just want to figure out where this is going to fall on the template that I have. So right above that first line, and then I'm gonna set that aside, and then I have a left chest print, and then maybe like a koozie print right here. So like I said, we're gonna max out this whole area of the screen. I'm just gonna place these over my screen just to figure out where they're gonna fall. And then I will tape them up here in a sec. Set this aside. Got my pen here, tape. Right now, all I'm doing is tracing my registration mark so that I can tape it off later. Move this film to the side. Flip this around. Now, thanks to the registration template that I'm using, I am referring to, for the left and right chest prints, I'm referring to the registration marks that are already here. So I can go ahead and just place a piece of tape in those locations. And trace those off. Now I want to make sure that my bottom registration marks are going to fall in the right spot. Flip this over. And I can have my top or my left or front print. Line that up to the other side. There we go. Now the reveal, as you can see here, I have my front print here, or back print, however you want to do it. Basically I have 3 different jobs on this one piece of film. Got my koozie, got my left chest, they're all lined up. I can now take this to exposure, and then once I have it on press, I would probably tape off the left chest and this one to print this one right here, and then vice versa, tape this all off, and maybe this one down here to print the one up here. All right guys, that's how you set up your films on your screens to maximize the area and usage of your screens for multiple prints. Be sure to like and subscribe below, and yeah, I'm Darryl from Ryonet. Thanks for watching.